Introduce features interest for Permasteel PS-A203-MT, 80 quart, portable rolling patio cooler, color mint. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. This vintage-style 80 quart steel patio cooler cart will add elegance to any backyard and outdoor patio. Entertain your guests with this beautiful powder-coated steel patio cooler that is well constructed with its insulated basin to keep your beverages cold up to 36 hours. It holds up to 11 to 12 ounces cans with plenty of room for ice. Featuring injected molded insulation to keep your drinks cold for the duration of the party and beyond, powder-coated finish for long life, and split double lid for easy access to cold drinks. Once you have your preferred drink, you can easily pop the cap off with the convenient bottle opener and catch the bottle cap with the included cap catcher. This patio cooler includes 4 heavy-duty casters for easy mobility, 2 locking for stability once in the desired area. After use, it's easy to drain the cooler with the built-in stainless steel drain tube and cap. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.